What's up, world? Welcome to Wttdx. I am the Dean. Yes. Have you recently worked on a beat? You made the beat. You're feeling like, alright, I feel accomplished. It's formatted, you know, all your effects is in there. You feel good about it. But it's not cutting through and hitting hard enough. Like, it's not like a complete mix. That's because it's not. You're not done yet. You know another step you have to do prior to that? And this involves a lot, from parallel compression to even effects, using your channel buses. When you use your channel buses now, you're making them blend together. So like with buses, like I said before, you can perform parallel compression, you can utilize effect buses. There's so many ways, but buses are definitely important. You send your individual track signal to the bus, and after you go through the bus, then it goes to the master bus. I'm going to show you exactly how, set you up, you know. Like I always say, it's subjective. However you're going to utilize your buses and just make it work. No more rambling. It's time for the show. Welcome to the DEEEAAANXperience. I'm in the still. And when I have these tracks here, now, as you can see, I have these highlighted. Because these tracks right here are my melody tracks. And I'm going to put them all in one bus. How you do that is, if you select all your tracks that you want to put in one bus, you go over here. And this is Logic Pro, by the way, but the rules still apply to whatever DAW you're using. You go over here to options, create new auxiliary channel strip. You create that right here. You click that. Boom. Now one's gonna come up, as you see right here. It's gonna come up. Now you gotta assign a bus. You gotta assign it to a bus in order for this to be effective. So as you can see, I'm gonna assign it to bus 5. I already have other buses on there. Okay, now that I have all these tracks selected, what I need to do is go to my buses. And you go right here, aux 5. I haven't named it yet, but what I would do on here is we get some parallel compression going on with your instruments so you can actually blend them all. I would go, and that's a cell comp. Notice the difference? This is for the channel strip, and comp, that's for the bus. Plus I'm gonna use stereo. Now I have the drum selected. Now I'm about to create a bus. Well, I already created a bus for them. I'm about to assign them to the bus. You have to assign a bus to the auxiliary channel. Now that I've done that, now I go over here and assign these channels to this bus. Drum mix. And now, of course, I'll put a channel EQ on there and whatever else for effects. As you can see, I already have some reverb effects. Space effects on there. And like I said, you go through your bus strips, then it goes to the master.